guys, Pearl and I were practicing, believe it or not, because we were thinking about last night's show, and we were thinking we want to do some fun songs. And she keeps running around here singing this song. What's it called?
Raining tacos.
It's Raining Tacos. So we checked it out and we thought, maybe we could play it. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to play it for you. Ready? We haven't figured it all out, but we figured out a little bit. And if you guys want to learn it, we could learn it. I thought that would be fun. So hold on. Here it goes. This is, by the way, I've slowed this version down just a little bit because we're just learning it. And then when we get the hang of it, we'll speed it up. So if it sounds a little bit different to you, that's why. Okay? Here we go. Ready, Pearl? Be ready.
It's raining tacos.
Walking down the ladder. Again. Maybe we can do it. Sorry. Sorry. We're figuring it out.
Cheese. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
I'm changing it, aren't I? Can you do it? Back to wish I had a motorcycle. Hey, did you like that? Now then, we'd have to learn. That was the bass line, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what else do we need to learn?
We need the melody.
The melody, right? So we'll have to figure it out. Your dad really wants to be on this video, I think. Okay, we're going to just let you guys see that. And if you want to hear more, we'll do some more.